In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how to play the Lucky Wheels game on PoppoLive. In case you are new and you don't know, Popo is a new platform that rewards its users with amazing incentive and benefits. All you need to have an invitation to join, as well as join an agency. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to show you that because I've shown 13 different ways to make money on PoppoLive. I have a lot of videos. I'm going to talk about it, and at the same time I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. If you are new, you are so welcome. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. If you are a returning viewer, you are welcome back. On this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. Alright, so here I am. Here is my home page on Popo. As you can see, my coins, I have 21,192 coins. I have 8p coins, and I have 954,110 points. Let me open it so that you will see. I love withdrawing my money when it's up to 100 USD. So voila, here is it. So this is not just to show off, just to tell you that it's working. So if you want to play a game on the Lucky Wheels, you can either play it while you are in a party, or you can just come and click on the game icon right here on your home page so that you play your game. All right, so right here is the Lucky Wheels we are going to learn. If you have not watched my video on how to play the lucky number, the golden flower, I have made videos on all the games, and I'm going to drop it in the description of this video. And if you can find it, kindly ask how to play lucky number or how to play golden flower in the comment section, and I'm going to reply to you with the link to that video. So here today we are learning the Lucky Wheels, so I will just click on it. So there are actually two ways you can play the Lucky Wheels game. Right here is the rookie, and this second one is the premium. So the rookie, you don't win often, like much, but the premium you win more. And on the Lucky Wheel game, what we do is after you play, whatever you get, you can now use it to exchange with another person, and by so doing you are going to get more coins. And when you have more coins, you are also going to get use it to exchange, and when you exchange, you are going to get more points that you can withdraw. As you can see, I just show you my own points now. Mostly I also play this Lucky Wheels a lot. So if you want to play it, as you click on Rocky, you click. So when you do Rocky, that means you are playing with like 1,000 coin, of which I don't like that. Sorry for the notification, guys. I have to allow it because I am screen recording and I am doing it on the internet. All right, so right here, when I click on it, you see mostly you don't win much. It's just one lollipop. Okay, so but I prefer the premium, but the premium is 5,000 coin. By the way, if you don't know how to buy coin, you can DM me the link to my Telegram that you can DM me. I will drop it so that in the description of this video so that you can reach out to me. So what I will do, I will just tap once. As you can see now, because I've played once, my 1,000 has gone. But one good thing about the Lucky Wheels is that you must always win something. Okay, so when I click on this one now, I'll just click on this 5,000. Let's see what I'm going to win. 12 lollipop. Okay, if I want to play again, I will tap on it. Okay, another 12 lollipop. So what this means that I've gotten how many? 24 lollipop. And this 24 lollipop, if I want to, all I'm going to do is I will go to when I join a party. All right, so all I will do is I will click and join a party. So when I join a party, I can come here to my gifts. So when I tap on this gift, you will see that I'm going to have gifts in a gift bag. So this gift in a gift bag, as you can see, I have 279 lollipops. So those lollipops is what I will exchange. That's why you see sometimes you are going to see people doing Lucky Wheels party night, where everybody will play with Lucky Wheels and they will exchange with each other, and then they get more coins on that. So this is how to play the Lucky Wheels game on PoppoLive. So if you have any question, ask in the comment section. And at the same time, for those that are new, the link to sign up, I'll drop it in the description, and I'll also drop it in the comment section. And again, I'm going to also drop the playlist to all the videos I've made on PoppoLive, okay? And once I've done that, at the same time, below the link, I'm going to drop link to my Telegram. Please, if you join the Telegram, don't just wait there and be looking around. All you need to do is tap on the pin message on the Telegram. You're going to see all the steps to what you can do, how you can do it, and at the same time you see a link to DM me in case you need any extra help. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.